Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo XC90 trunk from the inside. This is a crucial safety feature, especially if someone accidentally gets trapped. We'll focus on the emergency release handle, which is designed for quick access. It's important to know where it is and how it works, even if you hope to never use it. Let's get started with finding this vital component. To find the emergency release, you'll need to be in the cargo area of your Volvo XC90. Look directly on the inside panel of the trunk lid. You're searching for a small, often T-shaped, handle. This handle is usually made of a durable plastic and is designed to be easily identifiable by touch, even in low-light conditions. It's typically positioned centrally or slightly to one side. Once you've located the emergency release handle, operating it is straightforward. Simply grasp the handle firmly and pull it directly towards you. You should feel a distinct click as the trunk latch disengages. After the latch releases, you can then push the trunk lid upwards to open it completely. This action provides a quick and reliable way to exit the trunk in an urgent situation. Always exercise caution when using the emergency release, ensuring no one is standing near the trunk when it opens. For general access from inside the car, many XC90 models also feature a dashboard button to open the tailgate. It's a good idea to periodically check your emergency handle to ensure it moves freely. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.